Hello guys and welcome again to the YouTube channel Langlet Guide. Today let's discuss some MCQs on the topic elements of the novel from the exam perspective. But as usual, before starting, like, share, subscribe and comment if you feel the content useful. So without wasting any time, let's see the MCQs. Question number 1. A story, according to E.M. Foster, is a narrative of events arranged in their dash dash. The options are A. Time management, B. Time sequence, C. Extra time, or D. Proper time. The correct option is B. Time sequence. Question number 2. Story answers the question what happens while plot answers the question dash dash happens. The options are A. Where, B. How, C. Why, or D. When. The correct option is C. Why. Question number 3. What is a plot? The options are A. Main events, B. Point of view, C. Title, or D. Area of land. The correct option is A. Main events. Question number 4. The sequence of events connecting characters and a central conflict is called as dash dash. The options are A. Point of view, B. Climax, C. Plot, or D. Setting. The correct option is C. Plot. Question number 5. Plot can be classified according to unity of action and dash dash. The options are A. Nature of protagonist, B. Nature of structure, C. Unity of time, or D. Unity of place. The correct option is B. Nature of structure. Question number 6. According to dash dash, the plot is either simple, compound, or complex. The options are A. Nature of characters, B. Unity of time, C. Unity of place, or D. Unity of action. The correct option is D. Unity of action. Question number 7. According to the dash dash, plot may be loose or organic. The options are A. Unity of action, B. Nature of structure, C. Unity of place, or D. Unity of time. The correct option is B. Nature of structure. Question number 8. The dash dash part of the plot relates to the author's introduction to the characters, setting, and situation. The options are A. Exposition, B. Climax, C. Rising action, or D. Subsidiary. The correct option is A. Exposition. Question number 9. Exposition is dash dash part of the story which prepares to unfold upcoming events. The options are A. Climax, B. Middle, C. Beginning, or D. Ending. The correct option is C. Beginning. Question number 10. The part of the story that starts the problem is called as dash dash. The options are A. Climax, B. Exposition, C. Resolution, or D. Conflict. The correct option is B. Exposition. Question number 11. In dash dash, the main problem or conflict is revealed and the protagonist struggles to face it. The options are A. Exposition, B. Resolution, C. Falling action, or D. Rising action. The correct option is D. Rising action. Question number 12. Events leading up to the climax are called as dash dash. The options are A. Exposition, B. Rising action, C. Falling action, or D. Resolution. The correct option is B. Rising action. Question number 13. Climax is the turning or exciting part of the story centered around the dash dash. The options are A. Protagonist, B. Antagonist, C. Title, or D. Setting. The correct option is A. Protagonist. Question number 14. The decisive, crucial, significant moment in the novel or play is called a dash dash. The options are A. Story, B. Plot, C. Climax, or D. Setting. The correct option is C. Climax. Question number 15. The king died and then the queen died is a story, while the king died and the queen died of grief is an example of dash dash. The options are A. Climax, B. Struggle, C. Conflict, or D. Plot. The correct option is D. plot. Question number 16. The point of emotional intensity, interest, or dash dash in a story is called climax. The options are A. Subsidiary event, B. Suspense, C. Acquainted, or D. Main event. The correct option is B. Suspense. Question number 17. Falling action occurs immediately after the dash dash. The options are A. Resolution, B. Main plot, C. Rising action, or D. Climax. The correct option is D. Climax. Question number 18. The action that follows the climax is called the dash dash. The options are A. Rising action, B. Falling action, C. Suspense, or D. Tragic event. The correct option is B. Falling action. Question number 19. All events after the climax and leading to the dash dash are called falling action. The options are A. Suspense, B. Height, C. Resolution, or D. Plot. The correct option is C. Resolution. Question number 20. Dash dash action reveals the consequences, good or bad, that the main characters must deal with after climax. The options are A. Falling, B. Rising, C. Vital, or D. Dark. The correct option here is A. Falling. Question number 21. Dash dash is the part of the plot where the outcome of the event and the fate of the protagonist and antagonists are revealed. The options are A. Exposition, B. Rising action, C. Resolution, or D. Falling action. The correct option is C. Resolution. Question number 22. The part of the plot that concludes the falling action by revealing or suggesting the outcome of the conflict is called the dash dash. The options are A. Exposition, B. Rising action, C. Falling action, or D. Resolution. The correct option is D. Resolution. Question number 23. The solution to the problem or end of the central conflict is called dash dash. The options are A. Resolution, B. Exposition, C. Rising action, or D. Falling action. The correct option is A. Resolution. Question number 24. The resolution usually comes dash dash the falling action. The options are A. Before, B. After, C. Middle, or D. Central. The correct option is B. After. Question number 25. A person or animal which takes part in the action of a story called as dash dash. Options are A. Setting, B. Point of view, C. Character, or D. Narration. The correct option is C. Character. Question number 26. According to the nature, a character can be classified into dash dash. The options are A. Lifelike and living, B. Flat and round, C. Dynamic and static, or D. Good and bad. The correct option is D. Good and bad. Question number 27. What is the central or main character of a story called? The options are A. Protagonist, B. Antagonist, C. Anti-villain, or D. Anti-hero. The correct option is A. Protagonist. Question number 28. Dash dash is usually a dynamic character. The options are A. Minor character, B. Protagonist, C. Villain, or D. Novelist. The correct option is B. Protagonist. Question number 29. An antagonist is a character who opposes the dash dash character of the story. The options are A. Protagonist, B. Minor, C. Women, or D. Inanimate. The correct option is A. Protagonist or main. Question number 30. Who is called the chief foe or enemy of the protagonist? The options are A. Heroine, B. Hero, C. An antagonist or villain, or D. Friend. The correct option is C. An antagonist or villain. Question number 31. The individual and the type are subtypes of dash dash. The options are A. Antagonist, B. Protagonist, C. Dynamic character, or D. Living character. The correct option is D. Living character. Question number 32. There are dash dash methods of characterization. The options are A. 3, B. 20, C 8 or D 10? The correct option is A 3. Question number 33. Direct or analytical, indirect or dramatic, and dash dash are the methods of characterization. The options are A acrylic, B systematic, C symbolic, or D stylish. The correct option is C symbolic. Question number 34. Who describes the characters, their passion, personality, and motives in direct or analytical method of characterization? The options are A antagonist, B author or novelist, C protagonist, or D publisher. The correct option is B author or novelist. Question number 35. When a character reveals himself or herself through actions, the method is called dash dash method of characterization. The options are A natural, B symbolic, C direct, or D indirect. The correct option is D indirect. Question number 36. What type of character is called a 3 or multi-dimensional character? The options are A inhuman, B symbolic, C round or individual or dynamic, or D static. The correct option is C round or individual or dynamic. Question number 37. What type of character changes the point of view and develops throughout the story? The options are A dynamic or round, B flat, C static, or D symbolic. The correct option is A dynamic or round. Question number 38. What type of character is also called a static character? The options are A flat, B round, C dynamic, or D individual. The correct option is A flat. Question number 39. A round character is also called a dash dash character. The options are A symbolic, B flat, C dynamic, or D animal. The correct option is C dynamic. Question number 40. Who helps or supports the protagonist to pursue his ambitions and goals? The options are A round characters, B flat or static character, C minor character, or D novelist or author. The correct option is B flat or static character. Question number 41. A flat or static character is often referred to as dash dash dimensional character. The options are A multi, B 3, C single, or D 1 or 2. The correct option is D 1 or 2. Question number 42. Dash dash character does not change or develop during the course of a story. The options are A round, B a flat or static, C dynamic, or D minor. The correct option is A flat or static. Question number 43. What type of character has one perspective or point of view about life, things, or events? The options are A flat or static, B round, C complex, or D round. The correct option is A flat or static. Question number 44. A flat or static character is simple while a round or dynamic character is dash dash. The options are A easy, B compound, C complex, or D stylish. The correct option is C complex. Question number 45. A round or dynamic character is more complex than a dash dash character. The options are A good, B flat or static, C bad, or D inanimate. The correct option is B flat or static. Question number 46. What type of character can surprise the reader or the audience? The options are A round, B flat, C inanimate, or D symbolic. The correct option is A round. Question number 47. What type of character is generally described and developed in detail? The options are A static, B inanimate, C animate, or D round. The correct option is D round. Question number 48. Dynamic character is usually the dash dash character of a story. The options are A lady, B main, C minor, or D subordinate. The correct option is B main. Question number 49. Generally, minor character is dash dash character. The options are A. Flat or static, B. Round, C. Women, or D. Antagonist. The correct option is A. Flat or static. Question number 50. Shakespeare's fools are the examples of dash dash characters who have fixed a set of personality traits. Options are A. Scholar, B. Urban, C. Rustic, or D. Stock. The correct option is D. Stock. Question number 51. What type of character generally faces various obstacles throughout the plot? The options are A. Static, B. Organic, C. Dynamic, or D. Fools. The correct option is C. Dynamic. Question number 52. Setting of the story relates to dash dash. The options are A. Time, atmosphere and location or place, B. Place and characters, C. Location and point of view, or D. Time, season and plot. The correct option is A. Time, atmosphere and location or place. Question number 53. The setting of a story describes dash dash the action takes place. Options are A. What and how, B. When and how, C. Where and when, or D. How and where. The correct option is C. Where and when. Question number 54. Time described dash dash informs the era or period of time for the story. The options are A. By reader, B. In setting, C. By critic, or D. By analyzer. The correct option is B. In setting. Question number 55. Dash dash are called the two kinds of setting. Options are A. Social and material, B. Social and psychological, C. Material and psychological, or D. Material and philosophical. The correct option is A. Social and material. Question number 56. The angle from which the story is told or perspective of the character or narrator telling the story is called dash dash. The options are A. Complex plot, B. Plot, C. Narrative technique, or D. Point of view. The correct option is D. Point of view. Question number 57. When the narrator participates in action of the story, dash dash point of view is used. The options are A. Second person, B. First person, C. Third person, or D. Fourth person. The correct option is B. First person. Question number 58. A type of narrative perspective in where the author uses pronouns like your and you is called dash dash point of view. The options are A. First person, B. Third person, C. Second person, or D. Fourth person. The correct option is C. Second person. Question number 59. When a writer tells what happens without stating more than what can be inferred from the story's action and dialogue and never discloses anything about what the characters think or feel, this is called dash dash point of view. The options are A. Modern, B. Traditional, C. Subjective, or D. Objective. The correct option is D. Objective. Question number 60. What type of narrator knows everything about the story and its characters? The options are A. Omnivore, B. Omnivorous, C. Omniscient, or D. Homicide. The correct option is D. Omniscient. Question number 61. As if God is telling the story is called dash dash point of view. The options are A. Omnivore, B. Omnivorous, C. Omniscient, or D. Homicide. The correct option is C. Omniscient. Question number 62. In third person narration, the author narrates the story by referring the characters with dash dash or name of the character. Options are A. I or you, B. He or she, C. She or they, or D. You or they. The correct option is B. He or she. Question number 63. What point of view is this? Jack went with Jill. The options are A. Third person, B. First person, C. Second person, or D. Fourth person. The correct option is A. Third person. Question number 64. when the narrator does not participate in the action of the story as one of the characters, but lets us know exactly how the characters feel and we learn about the characters through an outside voice, then it is known as dash dash. The options are A. Fourth person point of view, B. First person point of view, C. Second person point of view, or D. Third person point of view. The correct option is D. Third person point of view. Question number 65. The story is told from the perspective of one of the characters whose information is restricted to what he or she sees, hears, and feels is called dash dash point of view. The options are A. Unlimited, B. Limited, C. Extended, or D. Hypothetical. The correct option is B. Limited. Question number 66. Don't judge a book by its cover is an example of dash dash element of the novel. Options are A. Narrative technique, B. Point of view, C. Theme, or D. Setting. The correct option is C. Theme. Question number 67. What is the central idea or message of a story called? Options are A. Theme, B. Summary, C. Central idea, or D. Analysis. The correct option is A. Theme. Question number 68. A theme that is not directly or explicitly stated in the text is called dash dash. The options are A. Major theme, B. Glorious theme, C. Direct theme, or D. Implied theme. The correct option is D. Implied theme. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.